Hello and welcome to Avail. During this short video, you'll learn how Avail will make it easy to publish a rental listing, collect applications, screen tenants, draft and sign lease agreements, and of course, collect rent. Let's get started. So what is Avail? Avail is a platform that enables landlords to advertise rental units, screen tenants including requesting background, credit, and eviction checks, create and sign lease agreements, review maintenance tickets, and collect rent all online. Once logged in, you'll see the Landlord dashboard. This is where you'll find account alerts, tasks, and other important information related to your properties. You can select individual units from the dashboard or the left sidebar in order to access listings, applications, leases, payments, and maintenance for that unit. Avail enables you to automatically publish a rental listing to multiple rental websites to ensure maximum visibility fast. Select the desired property and unit. Then navigate to the Listings page. Next, click on Build Listing. Follow each step and enter your property's information. Once the listing has been published, Avail will post your listing to the top rental sites within 24 hours, including Realtor.com, Apartments.com, Apartment List, Zumper, and Doorsteps. Avail will also publish your listing to the Zillow rental network. Zillow does require that you have a paid subscription with them in order to syndicate your listings to Zillow, Trulia, and HotPads. This subscription is paid directly to the Zillow rental network separately and is not associated with any Avail subscription. All prospective renters who submit an inquiry on any of the partner sites will be sent directly to your Avail account as a lead. Lead information will include their email address and phone number if provided. You can follow up with this information directly using the Avail Smart Messages to quickly respond, or send your own custom messages as you communicate with leads. Once you've used Avail to syndicate your listing to the top rental sites, it's time to start collecting rental applications from your new leads. In this section, you'll learn how to customize application settings, select screening reports, and understand how to navigate this process with your applicants. First, you'll want to select the desired property and unit, then navigate to Applications at the top of the page. Next, click on Edit on the right side of the page in order to customize your application settings. Here is where you can set your application requirements, including applicant's residence and work history, reference checks from prior landlords, and standard application questions. In Settings, you can also choose which reports you'd like to request from your prospective tenant. We offer credit, criminal background, and eviction reports all pulled from TransUnion. You can choose whether you or the applicant pays. Reports start at just $30 with a full bundle for $55. Using credit, criminal background, and eviction reports to screen your tenants means you get the data you need to make an informed decision about the tenants residing in your property. Avail will automatically email your tenants with instructions to verify their identity and authorize screening reports. Our step-by-step guidance helps the tenant throughout the entire process. Rest assured, all credit inquiries through Avail are known as soft inquiries and will not negatively impact your tenant's credit. As soon as your prospective tenant authorizes the reports and verifies their identity, you'll receive an email from Avail to review the reports in your account. Now that you've successfully reviewed and screened your prospective tenants, it's time to draft a lease. You can use the state-specific lease templates Avail provides for free. After agreeing to the important lease terms with your tenant, like dates of occupancy, monthly rent, and security deposit, you're ready to create and sign a lease agreement. As an Avail landlord, you have two choices. You can start from scratch by using Avail's lease templates to sign digitally, or you can upload a signed lease of your own. Avail provides ready-made state-specific leases that can be easily compiled and customized to suit the needs of individual landlords and their properties. Here's how. Start by navigating to the Leases page for the desired property and select Start from Scratch. By completing each section, information for your specific unit will be compiled and included in the lease. These steps include lease terms, rent costs and fees, lease clauses, rules and disclosures, and lessor info. The final draft of the lease is provided for review, and any remaining edits can be made at this time. Changes are saved in real time, so there's no need to press the Save button. When ready to initiate the signing process, enter all lessee names and email addresses, then simply press Send for signing. All lessees will receive email notifications to review and sign the lease. After each tenant signs, a feather icon appears next to their name to indicate they have signed. Once the lease is out for signature, no further edits are allowed. If changes are required, the lease can be retracted by pressing Unlock to edit. If done, any existing signatures will be removed. You'll receive an email notification when the lease is ready to go for you to sign. Once you send a lease out for signatures, you'll be prompted to confirm and schedule rent charges for the tenants to easily pay their rent online through Avail. Once your lease is done and has been sent out for signing, Avail makes it easy for you to transition into setting up payments and starting to collect rent online. As an Avail landlord, you can benefit from multiple payment features like automatic rent reminders, email receipts, notifications, and automatic late fees. In addition to these features, you have the ability to track payment status and view rent reports. You can manage these settings by selecting Settings located within the Payments tab of your selected unit. Once your lease agreement has been sent for signing, you're ready to set up rent collection. If desired, you can also set up rent payments without using an Avail lease. However, having an Avail lease makes this process more automatic and streamlines the work for you. Start by navigating to the Payments tab for your property and press the Create New Payment List button. Next, confirm the basic lease terms and save. Add applicable standard deposits and fees. Any fees not listed here can be added later. Review and confirm the schedule of charges. Once complete, tenants will be invited to log into Avail to review these charges. Return to the Payments tab to review the full schedule of charges payable by tenants. Press Request a Payment to add additional charges if needed. As a landlord, it can be helpful to understand what your tenants experience when setting up and making payments. In this next section, you'll learn about the tenant payment process. Through Avail, tenants can easily schedule payments for rent, security deposits, and other charges. If a tenant is existing and does not already have an Avail account, they will create their own personal Avail login from the email they receive when you add them to a payment list. They will then be prompted to add their own bank account and schedule payments. There are no fees that tenants must pay to sign up for an Avail account. If you are an Avail Unlimited Plus subscriber, all ACH fees are waived for tenants. Otherwise, tenants pay just $2.50 per ACH transfer. All payments made by credit or debit cards will include a 3.5% convenience fee billed to the tenant for each transaction. No service fees are ever deducted from the amounts funded to landlords. Tenants have the option to schedule one-time payments or set up autopay, so they can relax knowing their payment is already scheduled to withdraw on time each month. If there are multiple tenants on the lease, each tenant can schedule payments or set up autopay for just their portion of the rent. Tenants can further benefit from online rent payments through Avail by activating Credit Boost to have every on-time payment automatically reported to the credit bureau TransUnion. Credit Boost is a feature that allows tenants to improve their credit scores through the payments they're already making. All tenants need to do is opt in for $3.95 per transaction and pay rent on time. Tenants can activate and deactivate this feature at any time. Late payments will not be automatically reported to the credit bureaus by Avail. Regardless of a tenant's Credit Boost election, landlords can report payments late if they're more than 30 days late. Specific actions by the landlord are required to do this. Tenants can submit maintenance requests at any time through Avail. Both landlords and tenants can create tickets by providing details such as ticket title, ticket description, and uploading photos to provide a clearer picture to the degree of the damages or issues. When your tenant submits a maintenance request, you'll be notified via email as soon as it's created. You can also add private notes or cost records in a landlord-only area which cannot be seen by the tenant. You also have the ability to CC maintenance contractors or others to maintenance tickets to give them the ability to receive the alert and view ticket details. They will not have access to log into your account to review within your maintenance feature. Within account settings, you'll see the ability to list contractor email addresses to receive maintenance ticket updates. Avail offers two subscription options for landlords. Avail Unlimited is completely free to landlords. Avail Unlimited enables you to manage unlimited units and use all Avail core features at no cost. Avail Unlimited Plus includes all core features, plus fast pay rent payments, waived ACH fees, and custom applications and lease agreements. Additionally, you can clone and reuse custom lease agreements, and you'll have your own custom properties website, all for just $5 per unit per month. It's our priority to help landlords streamline the rental process every step of the way, from finding a tenant to collecting rent payments. We hope you found this presentation to be helpful in managing your rental units. The Avail Help Center is a great resource as you explore our features. You'll also find answers to many common questions. Access guides and detailed tutorial videos for each step in the rental process are available at support.avail.co or by clicking the Help Center link in the resources box to the right of the screen. Our customer care team is available 7 days a week to assist you and your tenants with questions or concerns as they arise. We can be reached via online chat on our site, by emailing support@avail.co, and by phone at 312-292-9347. Again, thank you for joining us, and thank you for choosing Avail.